Here are some Yoruba names that you can give a girl child. Digi Ola, reflection of wealth. Digi Ola Adaraton, Enitio Daraton, the perfect one. Mofaramade, I choose royalty. Mofiaramoade, I choose royalty. Mofaramade. Atirola, Atiriola, Atirola, we have found wealth. Ifeya, love pays. Ifeya, love pays. Jolade, one who enjoys the goodness of royalty. Jeolade, Jolade. Agbeleade, she who lives in a royal court. Agbeleade, Morayo, I have found joy. Moriayo, I have found joy. Morayo. Adetong, the crown is worth celebrating. Adetong, Fiyi Shikemi, pamper me with honor. Fiyi Sheikemi, Fiyi Shikemi, pamper me with honor. Dukia Olua, the Lord's property. Dukia Olua, Dukia Olua, the Lord's property. Pipe Layomi, Pipe Niayomi, complete is my joy. Pipe Layomi. And the last one is Eniyi, a person of honor. Eniyi, a person of honor. Which of these are you likely to name your girl child, or any other rare Yoruba name you would most likely name your girl child? Let's know in the comment section, and shout out to Asha Yoruba for putting this together.